Have you ever noticed that tiny flash of light by the pond on a summer day? That's a dragonfly. They dance through the sunlight looking so free and happy. Dragonflies and damselflies often get confused, and it's easy to see why. They share a similar elegant, slender look. But once you know what to look for, telling them apart becomes simple. First, look at the eyes. Dragonflies have large round eyes that usually touch in the middle, giving them a helmet-like look. Damselflies, on the other hand, have eyes that sit wide apart, like two tiny beads on the sides of their head. Next, check the wings. When dragonflies rest, their wings stay open and flat, almost like an airplane. Damselflies rest with their wings closed or slightly open of their body, more like a folded fan. Their bodies are different too. Dragonflies have thicker, stronger bodies built for speed and agile flight. Damselflies are slimmer and more delicate, moving with a softer, flowery style. Even their flight patterns give clues. Dragonflies fly fast and powerfully, while damselflies glide gently and hover more often. So although they look similar at first glance, their eyes, wings, bodies, and movement reveal who's who. Dragonflies and damselflies each have their own beauty, but now you won't mix them up again. But here's something most people don't know. Those few weeks of flying are actually the shortest part of their life. There are over 6,000 species of dragonflies, one of the oldest flying insects on Earth, even before dinosaurs. They belong to a group called Odonata, and their story begins not in the sky, but in the water. A dragonfly's journey starts when the mother lays her eggs on plants or on the surface of a pond. After a few days, tiny creatures hatch out. They look nothing like the dragonflies we know. They are called nymphs, and they live on the water as little hunters.
These nymphs have a special mouthpart called a labial mask, a spring-loaded jaw that shoots out to catch prey. Small fish, shrimp, or even water fleas have no chance against them. The nymph rules its underwater world, snapping its prey with lightning speed. This hidden life can last for months, sometimes even for years. So most of a dragonfly's life is actually spent beneath the surface, as a silent hunter in the dark water. They breathe through gills inside their body and can move by jet propulsion, shooting water out from their abdomen like a tiny submarine.
Then, one warm day, everything changes. The nymph climbs out of the water, gripping the reed tightly.
It stays still waiting. Slowly, its old shell spills open, and a new body shines beneath. A dragonfly is reborn into a new world.
During this stage, called emergence, the dragonfly is at its most fragile. If the weather is too cold, or a bird spots it might not survive. That's why many dragonflies choose to emerge early in the morning or late in the evening when it's calm and quiet. After hours of drawing its wings, it's finally ready, and then it flies. After spending years on the water, it can finally feel the wind, the warmth of the sunlight, and the freedom of the sky. Their eyes are incredible. Each one has about 30,000 tiny lenses giving them almost full circle vision. That's why they are such amazing hunters in the air.
An adult dragonfly lives only a few short weeks. It spends that time patrolling, catching mosquito mid-fights, and sometimes fighting for its territory. Every flight and every chase is for one purpose, but to create the next generation. They are lightning fast, able to fly up to 36 kilometers per hour, move forward, backward, or hover in one spot. Dragonflies aren't just beautiful insects. You might be surprised how helpful they are. They are incredible hunters. Adult dragonflies eat mosquitoes and tiny flying insects. That means fewer pests and a healthier environment for us. They are also indicators of clean water because they are very sensitive to pollution. A place with many dragonflies usually means the ecosystem is healthy. Their amazing flying skills even inspire scientific research and biomimicry. And yes, people say dragonflies predict rain. The truth? Before it rains, humidity rises and small insects fly lower. Dragonflies follow their prey, so they fly low too. It's not magic, just nature responding to the weather. From a hunter in the water to a dancer in the sky, the dragonfly completes its journey of transformation. Its time in the air may be short, but in those moments, it shines with everything it has.